TRI-MEA is a natural, upcycled and biodegradable active ingredient that is the missing piece to healthy hair. It completes the hair care puzzle by acting as natural conditioning booster by mimicking 18-methyl-eicosanoic acid and giving anti-frizz and easy combing, gloss, split end and cuticle repair in serum, conditioner, and shampoo formulas. TRI-MEA is designed with the unique liposome technology that brings phospholipids, lecithin, oleic acid, and upcycled wheat germ extract together for a unique tri-in-one active ingredient. Let's examine the contents one by one to understand the action mechanism. The upcycled wheat germ extract is obtained from the valorization process of wheat germ pulp, which is obtained as waste, in the production of wheat germ oil with supercritical carbon dioxide extraction technology. Other components, oleic acid, lecithin, and phospholipids increase the delivery efficacy of the active ingredient to the hair, and makes it possible for TRI-MEA to surround the hair fiber and forms a phospholipid-based film by increasing its affinity for keratin. With this film structure, TRI-MEA fills the gaps of lost lipids and repairs the split ends and the inner and outer structure of the cuticle without building up. It also provides gloss, shine, and lubricity by providing a uniform structure just like 18-methyl-eicosanoic acid. Finally, TRI-MEA promotes barrier effect around the hair fiber by restoring the hydrophobicity of the hair and prevents humidity from fiber penetration, shows anti-frizz and easy combing activity. Despite having a water-insoluble liposome structure, TRI-MEA can be easily formulated with water. As a natural and upcycled alternative to silicone, TRI-MEA reduces the use of silicones and offers silicone-identical efficacy by boosting conditioning, with its anti-frizz and easy combing, gloss, and split end repair effects.